Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a little bloom. I'm going to make a coaster with my newest color blend. The pinks and the greens. I just thought they would make pretty coasters, these colors. Okay, I got quite a lot of paint around today, so been busy. All right, this one is the Persian Rose by Amsterdam. I'm just going to try and do a little paint, not a lot. Peridot by Sheleeart. Yellow green by Amsterdam. Rose shimmer. Put that on top. How about some gold? PBO iridescent gold. And how about some pearl peony pink by Arteza? And some leaf green by Artist Loft. And I'll use the rose shimmer. Wow, that didn't really do too much. More developing, but something covered up all of the pretty colors underneath. They're very blended. Look at that. I probably shouldn't have put the pink on the top. It's all the way around the outside. It's okay. I'll do another one, and I'll just I'll reverse the two colors. Pink and green. Maybe I'll put the green on the top. Middle is still stuck. It's amazing how that pink and the gold blended together here. It's kind of pretty. All right, I'm just going to give it a spin. I want that white to come off, some of it. It's funny, one side always comes out prettier than the other side. This is pretty here. It's not moving much, so I guess we're done. The more I spin it, the more I like it. Okay. I'm going to do another one. Maybe I'll do it in another video, but I'll hold this up for you. I do like it now. These colors blended really pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day. My coaster dried really well. Very pretty. Thanks for watching.